delicious detoxifying foods for a healthy digestive system. Today, we're diving into the world of detoxifying foods that not only support a healthy digestive system, but also make your taste buds dance. Let's nourish our bodies from the inside out. Start your day with a refreshing lemon water. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, lemons kickstart your digestive system and aid in detoxification. It's a simple and effective boost to your morning routine. Blend up a green power smoothie. Toss in nutrient-rich kale, creamy avocado, and a splash of coconut water. This delicious concoction not only tastes amazing, but also supports your digestive health with fiber and essential nutrients. For a wholesome meal, whip up a Quinoa Detox Bowl. Quinoa, loaded with fiber, pairs perfectly with detoxifying ingredients like cucumber, mint, and a drizzle of olive oil. It's a feast for your taste buds and your gut. So let's embrace these delicious detoxifying foods for a happier and healthier you. Like, share, and subscribe for more tasty and nutritious tips. Cheers to good health.